Okay, so you might notice something a little bit different about the van today. It's got a cover on. This is a cover we had manufactured about 4 years ago. We normally kind of take it out when the weather starts to get a bit better. It was manufactured for us by Cunningham Covers up in Mahara in Northern Ireland. They normally do kind of truck things and boat covers and stuff, but we got them to manufacture this for us based on some original plans that we found on the internet from Volkswagen, like from back in the day, and also photographs and things that we'd seen of other people who'd done these. And Volkswagen originally manufactured and sold the frames and canvases for these, and then the Volkswagen dealers would have fitted them to these vans. So there would have been like these ones for the crew cabs, and then there would have been longer ones for like the full pickups, the single cab versions of these. It's a cotton cover. It's nice and kind of breathable and stuff. We were thinking originally about getting a canvas one, or not a canvas one, sorry, a PVC one, but we decided against that. We got this canvas one instead because it's breathable. It just looks nicer. It's more original as well. Yeah, so you can see like the vans were all set up to take these covers. They have these little eyelets here, which take the little kind of buckles that go down through them, and then the cover also fits through the hooks for the drop gates here on the side. So yeah, we'll just have we'll go along here around the back, and we'll see what it looks like at the back. So there's a few kind of interesting features. Probably have to just drop the gate here for you just to see inside. Yeah, there's yeah, so you can see like there's a frame here as well, which you've probably seen in other videos. Yeah, we got this manufactured a long time ago, actually just after we got the van. It was one of the first things that we did for the van. We got in touch with some metal fabricators and again sent them the plans for that and the original plans, and they manufactured these hoops roughly to that kind of spec. And then we put these wooden slats in as well, treated wooden slats above to hold the canvas in. Got these hooks here that roll up the back, and you can roll this whole thing down and then attach it onto the gate here on the eyelets on the gate, the same way you do at the side. We had to put in a kind of a plastic window as well there, so we could see out the back, you know, when we're reversing and stuff. We've got this zip attachment, which allows us to put an awning on. We don't have the awning attached here at the moment, but basically what this would let us do is put the canvas out, and then yeah, we can zip the awning onto this and stick it up with some poles, so you can kind of sit underneath it, you know, when the van is parked up. Both sides of the cover can be rolled up as well, so you can unbuckle it here, and then there's hooks at the top, so they work just like the back. You can have all sides of the van's cover like rolled up to let you know, when you're sitting in the back or whatever. So yeah, it's pretty well designed. There's all like nice little details like that on it. One kind of last very important thing that we had to do was we needed to kind of get the cover so that the lip of it went over this. There's like a rain gutter here, and we don't want, you know, water spilling in over the canvas into the back of the van. So this is actually like, yeah, we had to kind of specify this sort of little extra lip, bit of detail here to go over the rain gutter, so the rain gutter can kind of still continue to do its function, unless, you know, rain coming down off the side of the van sort of drip off as it's designed. It's just a little kind of tour of this canvas that we have. It's, you know, it's summer. It's getting close to summer now, so we always usually put it on in the summer. You know, it really kind of completes the look of the van as well. It looks really does look the part. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that little tour of our van cover, and I'll see you in another video.